Guys, I'm here on Miami International Airport and we're flying out to Panama today. I'm really excited to visit this country. I don't know much about it, to be honest, but I do have some recommendations from friends to go to restaurants and unique places, obviously the Panama Canal. So join me on this trip. Let's see. Let's dive right into it. Arrived in my hostel, and funny enough, they told me that I'm the very first person that is sleeping in a dorm room after COVID. They made my bed, and it's really funny because I'm the only one in this room tonight. So all the other beds are not made, which is nice. Well, I don't get to like meet new people, but on the other hand, it's nice because I'll be alone here. They even have air conditioning. Look at it. We're dancing, come on. Ahora tú. Good. Very good, Blue. I stopped quickly at the office depot to get a notebook because tomorrow I'm working. And I'm trying to figure out if or how like my internet is gonna work, because I have an eSIM card, which is really easy, a global one. So I don't have to like buy SIM cards separately in each country or change every time. So I have like a global eSIM card with internet, but it's not working, and it's always in the beginning. It's a fucking yeah, but it's fine. I'm gonna sort it out and look for a supermarket to get some water because I need it. I'm walking here in the rain because I obviously forgot my toothbrush in Miami, where I came from. I stayed 4 days in Miami at a friend's house, and I forgot my toothbrush. There's always something I forget. So I'm walking to the supermarket now in the rain, as I said. But luckily it's warm, it's hot, it's 30, well I think it's still 27 degrees, so it's a good temperature to be outside. But it's like an extra shower today. Great. Good morning, I'm with Alina and we are heading to the old town. Alina was traveling for 2 years already through South America, and she was craving some eggs with bread and avocado. So that's what we had. And after our great lunch with amazing smoothies, I'll put the name of the restaurant in the description and also here. After that, we hopped on an Uber and went to a rooftop with amazing views and delicious drinks. I'm gonna show you right now. This rooftop is amazing, honestly. Look at it. You see the sea and this special building over here. It's actually really small in real life. You'll be surprised. It is 9:30 in the morning. Today is Tuesday, and I just booked my Uber to go to the Panama Canal. It's like a thing you have to do, right? If you're in Panama, you have to go to the Panama Canal. It's the same for Rio de Janeiro. If you're there, you gotta see Jesus. If you didn't do that, that's just kind of weird. So yeah, I'm going there today. I'm gonna check it out. Uber is extremely cheap here. So that's a good thing, I guess. I always tip the drivers because I think like sometimes like yesterday I was in an Uber for 17 minutes and I only had to pay $4.73. Like it didn't feel right to me, so I tipped him. But yeah, I think that's kind of ridiculous. But if you are a backpacker and you're on a budget, then it's obviously a great deal. So I'm gonna take you with me. Let's go. Alright guys, hi, I'm here at the Panama Canal. I arrived. It was a bit more expensive than I thought though, because I thought it was 17, well I thought it was 10 bucks, but I ended up paying 17 United States dollars, which I found a bit expensive. But I must confess, it is very impressive, all the technical stuff going on to see how the canal works. I saw a boat passing through just the end, which was already really cool, to be honest. And they are talking over the speakers to explain a little bit more about the boats, about the canal, and about you know, the oceans. But it's interesting. They tell you, they educate you, they teach you things about the canal and about Panama too. So it's a bucket list thing, you know. I can scratch it off my list now, and I'm actually very happy that I went because it's impressive. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys around. I figured when a boat is passing through, it's quite busy here, but at the moment the boat is gone and people are leaving. As you can see, it's not that busy. All the seats are empty, so you can really have a seat, have a drink. I mean, I would recommend you to bring some water with you on the trip anyways, regardless wherever you go, you know. Bring a bottle of water, stay hydrated, and then just, you know, check out how they are preparing the whole canal for another boat. It's cool. It's really cool. All right, from the Panama Canal to a Viewpoint mountain, un mirador. It's in the center of the city, well, the old town actually, right outside the old town. The old town is somewhere down there. And I'm supposed to see amazing views up there. It's supposed to be beautiful. So let's see. The Uber driver told that he could not bring me all the way to the top, so he had to drop me off at the checkpoint down the hill. It is 31 degrees right now, which is, I guess, 85 degrees Fahrenheit. It is okay. As I said before, I always have water with me, so I'm not worried about that. And if I have to pee, there's enough room, enough trees to do so. I am alone on this track. I've seen a few Germans coming the opposite direction. It's kind of a hike. I'm not really used to hiking, but I hope that it is all worth the effort. I already seen some monkeys here, very cute little monkeys. I forgot to record them. Well, I've recorded them, but only in vertical. Maybe I can put the video here. But I've been looking around in these trees and I see like big nests, and I think those are hornets' nests. They all seem abandoned. I don't know why, but I didn't see any hornet yet, so they might be abandoned, and it's all good. But it's a beautiful, beautiful forest. I got myself these Defender mosquito napkins. I couldn't really find a spray only for kids, so this was the best thing I could find. I'll let you know if it works. This hike takes around 30 minutes, I would say, but along the way, along the route, there are these green benches, so you can take a rest, chill for a little bit before continuing your journey. So this is the nice view over the old town, and there, right there, is the park where we were earlier today. It's a beautiful view, isn't it? I'm on my way down, and I'm kind of disappointed, to be honest. I thought it would be more spectacular, but the trees are really covering the views. And there are only 2 viewpoints, which one of them is kind of nice because you have the view over the Panama Canal. So that's cool. But the other one is closed off, kind of. So I would recommend you to just go halfway the mountain as soon as you see the views of the skyscrapers, right? The view of downtown, because that's already super impressive. And upstairs, well, up the hill, you won't get a better view. So save yourself some sweat and just yeah, walk the hill halfway. Little boy struggling. This is never gonna work if you take that route, buddy. So I'm walking down, get an Uber, and go to La 10. It's a restaurant that I saw on TikTok, and it looked fabulous. Very, very delicious. So I'm gonna check it out. They also said it was cheap, so let's see. These things, I mean, I don't know if you guys know what these are. Maybe they're for ants. I don't know. I thought they were hornets, but now I take a closer look. I think maybe it's an ant's nest. I arrived in the old town, and I'm heading my way to La 10. As I said, I just wanted to briefly tell you guys about what just happened to me with Uber. Apparently, the Uber driver did not cancel the ride after he dropped me off. So after like walking to the top and back down in like an hour, I had still an ongoing Uber well, pedido going on, so I had to cancel it and pay 15 bucks. So pay extra attention to this, guys. Make sure that the Uber driver is canceling the ride, so you just pay the amount that was told to you before. Otherwise, they're gonna charge you a cancellation fee, which, you know, is like 5 times as much as what you initially would have paid for the trip. I'm at La 10 and I'm the only one in the whole restaurant. They gave me a tablet because I couldn't scan the QR code. The page didn't load. It is literally the best thing ever. Everything that you see on the menu is $150. It's crazy. I couldn't imagine. It's very nice, air conditioned, cooled. I came here at 2 p.m. when they opened, and I was the first one and still the only one. And it's kind of awkward because all the people were just standing there looking at me. But alright, I don't care. I'm very, very hungry. So they have Panama food, Venezuelan food, Colombian food, Mexican food, USA food. So plenty of options. Let's dive right into it. I think it's good. It's sweet. They didn't have tequeños with cheese, so I'm doing it with, I don't know, some fruit, vegetable, I don't know. Vegetable, sorry, vegetable. Alright guys, I'm at the airport of Panama and I am flying to Colombia right now. It's been a great trip, great few days in Panama. Not enough, I would say, because I also wanted to go to the islands, but obviously since I was just here for 3 days, I didn't really have the time to do it. But it's a beautiful city, so I definitely want to come back and explore more of the country. So now I am boarding, well, almost boarding. We're gonna board in like half an hour. It's 6:30 now in the morning, quite early. There was an Uber at around 5 o'clock in the morning, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and follow my polar steps, follow my Instagram to follow my trips, and I see you later.